guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can switch to R15 Avatar on Roblox. Okay, let's get into it, guys. When I'm playing a game and I want to apply emote, it says switch to R15 Avatar like this. Switch to your R15 avatar to play emote, and I'm going to show you how you can switch your avatar. I'm going to close my game and I'm going to back to the Roblox home, and then here we can go to our avatar, and then you're going to go to the customization, and I'm going to go to the head and body. And here, guys, you're going to select the build and then scroll down, and here you just need to select R15. And when you have already selected this R15 and then it's still not working on the game, it means that the game doesn't support emote. So you need to switch, or you need to move to another game to apply the emote. Okay, guys, and that's how we can switch to R15 avatar on Roblox to play emote. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.